Restore power and efficiency. Professional Jaguar engine tune-ups. Jaguar vehicles are engineered for precision, power, and performance. Regular engine tune-ups are essential to restore lost power and maintain peak fuel efficiency. Signs your Jaguar needs a tune-up: reduced throttle response or engine misfires during acceleration, noticeable decrease in fuel economy, engine idling roughly or producing unfamiliar noises, persistent or recurring check engine light alerts. What a professional Jaguar tune-up involves: replacing worn spark plugs and ignition system components, cleaning or replacing clogged fuel injectors for better fuel delivery, recalibrating engine timing and throttle system for improved performance, air and fuel filter replacements to ensure clean combustion, and advanced diagnostics to detect hidden performance issues. Benefits of timely tune-ups. Restores smooth engine operation and responsive driving experience, enhances fuel efficiency and reduces harmful emissions, helps prevent future mechanical issues and expensive repairs, extends engine longevity and reliability. The Jaguar expertise matters. Tune-ups performed by certified technicians trained on Jaguar systems. Use of genuine Jaguar parts and specialized diagnostic tools. Tailored maintenance based on your specific Jaguar model and engine. Conclusion. A professional engine tune-up keeps your Jaguar running like new. Schedule your next tune-up with a trusted Jaguar service center to maintain peak performance and efficiency.